If you are considering SiteGround as your web hosting provider, one of the most important decisions you have to make is which plan to choose. Whether you are just starting out and need something simple, or you are looking for a robust hosting plan for a large website, SiteGround has something for you. In this video, we will compare the 3 most popular plans from SiteGround, the StartUp, GrowBig, and GoGeek plans, in order to help you choose the plan that is right for you. SiteGround offers 3 different hosting plans: StartUp, GrowBig, and GoGeek. The StartUp plan is ideal for those just starting out with their website. It's the most basic plan, but still includes 10 gigabytes of web space, unmetered data transfer, and the ability to host one website. In addition, like the rest of SiteGround's plans, the StartUp plan offers you a free domain for 1 year, so you have everything you need to start your web project at the best price. The GrowBig plan has all of the features of the StartUp plan, plus additional features like unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes of disk space, staging, PHP 30% faster, advanced backup features, and more. Finally, the GoGeek plan is for advanced users, offering additional features such as priority support, a free wildcard SSL certificate, and even more database backups. It offers up to 40 gigabytes of disk space, unlimited websites, and a higher level of resources. It also has the ability to offer white label hosting to offer to customers, along with private DNS. As you can see, the GrowBig plan offers the best features and resources for most users, with the GoGeek being a more viable option for online stores with many visitors, or for client sites that want maximum resources for their projects. All 3 plans use Google Cloud Platform servers, so you can be sure that your websites will be hosted on modern servers, equipped with the latest standards in technology. One of the factors that sets SiteGround apart from other hosting providers is the high quality of their customer service. In my opinion, the amazing live chat is what really sets it apart from other hosts. No matter which communication channel you prefer, you will receive a very fast and accurate response. If you have any questions or issues, SiteGround support will assist you via phone calls or live chat questions instantly and respond to issues in less than 10 minutes, and customer service is available 24/7. One of the most important factors to consider when deciding which SiteGround plan to choose is the price. Currently, SiteGround has an offer of 80% discount. You can access it with the link that I leave you in the description of this video. This offer gives you the StartUp plan for $2.99 a month, that is hosting plus free domain for a whole year for only $35.88. The GrowBig plan costs $4.99 a month, or $59.88 for a whole year. The GoGeek plan costs $7.99 per month, or $95.88 for a full year. In conclusion, all 3 plans from SiteGround offer an impressive range of features, making it easy to find a hosting solution that meets your needs. The StartUp plan is perfect for anyone just starting out with their website, while the GrowBig and GoGeek plans offer more advanced features and performance for larger, more established websites. It doesn't matter if you start with just the StartUp plan, since SiteGround allows you to upgrade to a more advanced one whenever you need it, paying only the price difference and not the full price. So SiteGround is your best ally to launch and scale your web projects to their full potential. That's all for my part. Now it's your turn. Have you decided which SiteGround plan you are going to launch your website with? Let me know in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more similar content. See you next time.